we'll guide you through how to use split window in Brave browser. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Brave browser and wait for the main browser window to fully load before continuing. Before using the split view feature, make sure you already have at least 2 tabs open, as split view requires multiple tabs to function. Start by opening your first website in a tab. Next, create a new tab and open a second website that you would like to view alongside the first one. Once both websites have loaded, verify that the 2 tabs are visible in the tab bar at the top of the browser window. Now, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click each of the 2 tabs to select them simultaneously. After selecting them, confirm that both tabs are highlighted, indicating that they are ready for a grouped action. Right-click on either one of the selected tabs to open the context menu. From the list of available options, select Add Tabs to Split View. Brave will immediately begin creating a split view layout using the 2 selected tabs. Wait a moment while the browser rearranges the interface. Once the process is complete, verify that both websites are displayed side by side within the same browser window. This allows you to view and interact with 2 pages at the same time without manually switching between tabs. If you would like to adjust how much space each website occupies, locate the divider positioned in the center between the 2 panels. Click and drag this divider left or right to resize the panels according to your preference. When the layout looks correct, release the divider to apply the new proportions. Next, look near the top left area of the browser window and locate the Arrange Split View button. Click this button to open additional split view options. From the menu that appears, you can swap the positions of the tabs if you want the websites to switch sides. You can also choose to close either the left or right panel directly from this menu. When you are finished using split view and want to return to the standard browsing experience, simply open the same menu again and select Unsplit. The 2 websites will immediately return to their normal tab layout, allowing you to continue browsing as usual.